I actually did this modification last year, but little to my knowledge, I actually have done it wrong. Cool. I think we just did a thing, as I have an exciting announcement to make. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Amber and this is my automotive YouTube channel, Driven 24/7. And if you're new, then please do, I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you're notified every time a video goes up onto my awesome automotive YouTube channel. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video as I have an exciting announcement to make. Wicked! But as normal, as always, you join me and my modified Abarth 595 Trofeo. We're here on a driveway out the back of our flat, and today we're doing a small little modification. If you click on the card above, I actually did this modification last year, but little to my knowledge, I actually have done it wrong. So we're going to do this modification again. This modification is happening to the rear of my car, hence why the rear of my car is in this frame along with my pretty little face. So it's a nice little interior mod we're going to do to the rear of my car. So let's open the boot and show you what I'm going to do, but this time I'm going to do it properly, like I just said. So guys, this is what I did in that last video. My parents got this for my birthday actually. A leather tailgate Abarth strap, black leather with the yellow Abarth writing, but as you can see it's actually coming away from the fix in there. So me being me, I messaged MS Racing. I said, look, I've had this tailgate strap of you, it's sort of breaking already. And they said, I bet you didn't buy a fixing kit for it, did you? And I was like, I didn't realise I needed it. Obviously now I realise I do need it, and I did need it, hence why it's gone a little bit wrong. So the lovely guys at MS Racing have kindly hooked me up with a whole new tailgate strap and the actual fitting bit, so this won't happen again. So they've also sent me some more stickers. I absolutely love stickers, and I like their cool Italian inspired business card. I'll leave all the links to their page and probably to this like tailgate. You can obviously get them in different colours. You can get scorpions on here instead of the writing Abarth, different coloured stitching, blah blah blah. So yeah, all the links will be left in the description to their website and probably to this little kit as well. They sent me out a brand new leather tailgate strap, exactly the same as what I've got already. And this is the all-important little fitting bit that I should have bought first time round, or I should have told my parents to buy first time round. Didn't realise how important this little bit is, but they sent this out to me. So thanks to MS Racing for hooking me up, and let's do it properly this time so you don't have to hook me up anymore with these tailgate straps. So guys, I've got the all-important new fitting bit here. I'm just going to open it up, and again you can get these little bits in different colours, which is really cool. There's 4 colours I believe. So I actually went for a silver fitting kit, so you get like a nice silver washer. And the guy said to me, you sure you want a silver one? But I thought it actually, because I've got bits of silver on my car, I thought it'd actually go nicely and it'd stand out against the black leather strap. That was my thinking. So yeah, these should hopefully stop that tailgate strap issue. And if I just open the new strap as well, so then in theory that will look really nice, I think. So you got the silver against the black strap. So let's get rid of the old and in with the new. Right, so I've got my little socket. So first things first, try and do this one-handed. Let's loosen this one up. Look at me doing my own stuff to my car for a change. No dad needed here. So this is now gonna so this was the old bit from the old strap anyway, that obviously I reused for this strap. And that's obviously where I went wrong and why this hasn't lasted long. Here we go. Cool, so that was my old strap, and that was the old fixing kit, original fixing kit I suppose you could call it. So we have the old and we have the new. This bit actually needs to come off because that was bigger for the old bit than it was that was a smaller bit for that one. Cool. So I'm assuming the problem is in the first place is obviously every time you obviously put on the top half to open the boot, This has probably been eaten away into the front bit of leather, but obviously the new kit MSR have supplied me, it's got a nice washer on it, so obviously that will no longer eat into the leather on this setup. So right, I've got the new Abarth strap here, the fixing kit, so I'm assuming you just pop that straight through the hole. What way did I have it? That way around. Just give this a go. There we go. Cool. I think we just did a thing. So I have tied it up, but not too tight, just so I can like angle it and stuff. I maybe could do it a bit tighter, but yeah, the new Modification tailgate strap is now in with the correct fitting kit, so I won't be having the issue of that going wrong before it should. And let's just give it a go. And these are such a nice little touch, just adds a bit of colour to this clothy old boot area. Cool, and there we have it. My Modification tailgate strap has been fitted second time round, but this time it's been fitted properly, as they now supplied me with a new strap. Thank you very much, guys, and the correct fitting kit to keep this strap going longer than the last one did. Completely my fault, but a massive thanks to MS Racing for hooking me up with the all important fitting and another strap to finish off the interior of my boot. Is done and done properly, I'm going to take you back inside to the flat to make an announcement. Ooh, exciting! So you now join me inside, and thank you for hopefully reaching the end of this video. Hopefully you haven't skipped and you've watched the whole thing through, because it is a quality video of me actually doing work on my own car for once. Thank you to MS Racing. Like I say, check out their website details in the description below, and the links to all their sites, and to buy that tailgate strap and fixing kit if you want one for your Abarth. It's a nice little touch. I like little touches like that, and easy jobs that I can do myself. So you may have noticed I'm wearing one of our new Driven 24/7 t-shirts. Now launched a little shopping website, so I'm now selling stickers, and I've now just had the rest of the t-shirts arrived. Hopefully once this corona stuff's all out of the way, I do want to try and make an effort to get to more car meets, because that way it gets me out and about meeting new people, and also gives me content to film. So merchandise wise, I've got some stickers made, because everyone loves a sticker, especially me. I've already got one on my car. Originally I had some white and silver ones. The white sold out pretty quick, and I was amazed that like people were buying my stuff. I was like, wow, I'm not that big of a channel, and yet people want to put my stickers on their car. What I want eventually is to go to a meet and at least like a few cars got my stickers on. I mean, that'd be so cool. Yeah, there's other Abarth YouTubers out there, and one or C in particular has blown up and gone on to other things, but I want to be known as the Abarth YouTuber. I've had 4 of the Abarths now. I'm very loyal to the brand. Yeah, I'm going to probably continue to own my Trofeo, keep modifying it, more parts on order as we speak, more modifications coming from my Abarth. So let's get back to what I'm trying to talk about in the first place at the end of this video. So sticker wise, I've now just topped up with some more colours. So obviously a few of you have yellow Abarths, so I've got a few of the yellow ones. They're sort of a darker yellow, they match my colour on my Abarth pretty well. Mine's the rally yellow, but again, so we've got some yellow ones now in stock. All these sticks are £2.50 each. Just got some nice bright blue ones. We top back up on the white ones. They're just a Driven 24/7 logo sticker. Obviously these are exterior stickers. Some more of the silver in stock. And we have the red. So my parents' red competition is about to have one of these stuck on. So we've got all these stickers, like I say, £2.50 each. So you can find them. Again, links will be in the description for my website. Just click on the link and you can see stickers. T-shirts, so like I say, I've got one on at the moment. They're all in black at the moment. Just see how these go, and also we can change them up, different colours, etc. yeah, t-shirts again, they're nice, sort of lightweight, black ones, they're all men's, but I've got a men's small on now and it fits me as a lady quite nicely. So we've got the Driven 24/7 logo on the front, and I wanted to give the back a bit of something, so we've got the Driven 24/7 logo on the back, and then we've got the YouTube logo, so you guys know where to find me. So yeah, these are pretty cool. I'm obviously going to be wearing these in my videos a lot. Yeah, these are obviously now available. As you're watching this video, these will be now available on the website for you to buy, along with the different coloured stickers we've now got. T-shirts are going to be £15 plus delivery, and I will be able to ship internationally. I'll just have to work out the cost, but that shouldn't be a problem. Again, I just want to go to more meets when we can, once all this corona stuff's out of the way, go to more meets. I love talking to all the Abarth owners. Everyone's Abarth out there is so individual to himself, and yeah, I just love going to the Abarth meet. Such a good community. When I said the Abarth was for sale, I was watching some of my old videos back and I thought, I can't leave this community, I really love it so much. So I'm here to stay, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Do check out my website below. Do check out MS Racing's website below for all your Abarth parts, accessories, engine parts, you name it, they've got it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then show me you liked it by giving it a like. Please do subscribe, because the subscribe number really counts and I need mine to go up. So please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified every time a video goes up onto my automotive YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get more photos up there. And obviously you can see more photos of the stickers and t-shirts we've got for sale. And yeah, it would be great if you could support the channel and buy my stuff. So yeah, thank you. Bye. So, more barking. So guys, I'm just going to open this all and put... Bloody dogs! Hi guys, welcome to my video back on the Automotive YouTube Driven 24/7 page.